Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Realtecshop, your go-to source for the latest in technology. I'm Realtecshop, and today we have something exciting in store for you. The HP 15DY5599NR laptop. This sleek machine is promising a blend of power and portability. So let's dive right in. As technology advances, so does our need for efficient and powerful computing. HP has been a trusted name in the industry. And with the 15DY5599NR, they aim to redefine your computing experience. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core i3-1215U processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsive performance for all your tasks. The Intel Core i3-1215U, a name synonymous with speed and efficiency. Whether you're a professional navigating complex spreadsheets or a student juggling multiple applications, this laptop promises to handle it all. Let's put it to the test. Now, let's talk visuals. The 15-inch FHD display on this laptop is nothing short of stunning. From binge-watching your favorite shows to immersing yourself in graphic-intensive tasks, every detail comes to life. It's not just a laptop, it's a visual experience. In the fast-paced world we live in, waiting for your laptop to boot up or applications to load is simply not an option. With the 128GB SSD on the 15DY5599NR, say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless performance. Let's explore the speed that SSD brings to the table. For the creative minds and casual gamers, the Intel UHD Graphics in this laptop deliver a visual experience that goes beyond expectations. Whether you're editing photos or playing your favorite games, the graphics on the 15DY5599NR elevate your experience. As we embrace the future of operating systems, the 15DY5599NR comes equipped with Windows 11 Home and S Mode. This means enhanced security, a streamlined interface, and a seamless connection to the Microsoft ecosystem. Let's take a closer look at what Windows 11 brings to the table. There you have it, folks, the HP 15DY5599NR, a true powerhouse in the world of laptops. If you're as impressed as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about this impressive machine. Until next time, I'm Realtecshop, signing off.